Hi friends, so we are very happy to say almost all my Java classes available at a free of cost in YouTube. But majority of the students are facing a small problem. Sir, which topic we have to study first, which topic is the second, or which video is the first, like several people who are facing the problem, right? What we did is we developed one website, okay, durgasoftvideos.com. What is that website is? durgasoftvideos.com. In that all 25 topics videos I arranged a sequence, right, in sequence, so that you never going to face the problem, okay, while preparing, right? So because several students in the YouTube comments I observed, there are several people are going to approach, sir, which is the first video, which is the second video, like they're always asking the questions. That's why, so just observe durgasoftvideos.com. I will open anyway, just have a look once. Okay, here just I'm trying to open durgasoftvideos.com. Observe very carefully, sir. Observe a bit very carefully. durgasoftvideos.com. Okay, now just click this one. If you click at the top, you can see there are multiple subjects. Here are you seeing, right? There are multiple subjects you are going to see: home, SCJP, OCJP, Java, AngularJS, .NET, SQL Server, like there are multiple things are available, right? In that SCJP, OCJP is like, sir, here if I click this one, SCJP, OCJP, if you click, if you just move the cursor to this, automatically you can say core Java with SCJP, OCJP by Durga. Okay, like you can see, sir. Now if you click this one, if you click this, now have a look once, sir. This is the page you are going to get, okay? Or otherwise you can view directly this page also, okay? This is the URL, durgasoftvideos.com /core java OCJP SCJP Durga / if you can click this one. Now have you observed, right? Here all my videos are available, right? Sir, this is chapter 1, okay? This is the chapter 1, sir. In chapter 1, have you observed core Java, this is the chapter 1. So in this session 1, session 2, session 3, session 4, like almost you can see multiple sessions. Only in the first one, sir, 16 sessions are there, sir. Okay, only in the first 16 sessions are there. Next, second one, core Java with SCJP, operators and assignment. Under operators and assignments, again 7 sessions are there. Next, flow control, again 6 sessions are there, sir. Next, and after that, you know, like all topics are there, almost around 25 topics, sir. Clearly all those things we specified, sir, including JVM architecture, multi-threading enhancements, assertions concept, JVM, like all the things, including entry equations, everything we kept, sir. Sir, sir, how you can see the video? Like you may have the doubt. Here, are you seeing preview? Sir, this is the topic. This is the topic. In that, this is the preview, followed by, okay, this is the duration also, right? Okay. Now I'm taking just the preview. Okay, like just observe a bit carefully, sir. Now, do you know? Here it will come. This is the session 2.
Just we completed the identifiers and the reservoir boards. In this session, just we have to let me talk about data types. Keep covering data types.
Okay, just go through these things. Just click, just close this one, and then suppose oops concept I want to see, sir. Just the flow control. Next, declarations and access modifiers. Next, interface and abstract classes. Yes, oops by Durga. Okay, oops. Now first one, oops concept session 1 is going to come.
So the next topic, what I have to discuss, the most valuable concept for interview, even for day-to-day coding. The next very important topic.
So just these are all the topics, all the sessions clearly mentioned here in order. Happily you can follow, sir. Next, one more thing, these are direct classroom videos, friends. Okay, so here I dictated notes also. Some people may have the doubt, sir, why sir is repeating these many times? Just I'm dictating the notes. Observe that. If you have the material, just go through that, you can skip. Otherwise, if you are going to write that notes, so that you will get much clarity in the subject, I'm sure. Okay, so that's also. Next, these things are related to which version? All these things are related to 1.6 and 1.7 version. Okay, 1.8 version enhancements, 1.9 version enhancements also available. Most of the videos we uploaded already in the YouTube. Sir, if you want full version, happily you can contact our office people. Okay, so better to utilize these things, better to share for your friends also. Definitely these things are going to be very, very helpful. Sir, how many views are there for these videos? Just comments, just go through that. Based on that, you can decide whether these are best resources or not. Okay, thank you, sir. What is the website? durgasoftvideos.com. Core Java with SCJP, OCJP by Durga. All videos are available. Okay, enjoy karo.